so hot. It's burning. I gotta find a way out of here, guys. Oh no, I don't see nowhere to go. Oh no, I gotta hurry up. I'm not gonna last much longer. What is this, a block of dirt? Oh my, I gotta get out of here. What is this place? Ah, it's so hot. I gotta go. This is the only way out. I'm gonna have to dig my way out. Oh, there we go. Come on, go, almost there. Oh. Whoa, look at that crater. I'm glad I made it out. What is this place? Oh, it's pretty scary. I've never seen nothing like it. I think I see a building over here. I'm gonna go check it out, guys. Oh, what is this creature? Oh. He seems friendly. Hey, there's a guy over there. Hey, you over there? Oh no, he looks kind of scary too. Hello, I'm Jeffrey. Who are you? Hello? I wonder if he's friendly. I'll check it out. Hey, buddy. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Oh, he's not friendly at all. Which way do I go? Oh, he's not following me. Okay, I'll go down here and see what's down here. Oh, he is following me. I gotta get out of here. Run. Oh, what's down here? Oh, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out. Oh, looks like some kind of portal out of here. Let's go, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to ToyForceTV. I'm Haley. I'm Nate. And I'm Kaylin. And today we're going to be making slime. Let's go. So we're going to be using some glue. You want to use it first? Okay, so I'm going to be adding some blue food coloring.
Well, you can see that I added some blue, and I'm adding some more.
Okay, so let's see what I added blue, and I want it kind of dark, kind of not. Because right now it is. Brush my stick in. I'm adding more food coloring, so it could be summery yellow. Okay, egg yolk yellow. Yeah, egg yolk. And then I'm going to add. I'm gonna drop my stick. Just drop my stick in and going to mix it to fix it. Going to mix it to fix it.
Mean you're gonna mix it to fix it?
Okay. So I finished adding my blue food coloring. So I'm going to be adding some silver glitter. Okay.
I need some gold.
And then we're going to add some pinkish, reddish, purplish color, whatever it looks like. I think it's more pink. I added more yellow and some more glue because it wasn't coming together. And it's now coming together all along. So now
I might need a little bit more blue.
I'm going to add Okay, I'm going to be adding some beads. I'm going to add some. So I just added some nice purple, pink or purple glitter. Now I'm adding some foam beads to make it crunchy. And I'm going to be adding some more, some gold glitter.
Oh, got that in it.
What is it? So now I'm going to be adding I add some foam beads. So now I'm going to be adding some of these kind of like star beads. I'm going to add some pink and gold and silver glitter to get it that tight. I don't even know. Okay. So I'm trying to make a winter, summer, spring, and New Year's type of slime. So we're gonna get it all that glitter. Now more foam beads. Wait, I don't want these. They're hard. I like the foam beads. Adding some, maybe. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. I'm gonna be off again. I dropped my spoon stick again, so I'm gonna add some powder of that, and then I'm adding some more yellow. Pass me the water. The water?
Yeah. I need to put this in my cup.
Here. What do you do? Okay. And I also again stir it up. I'm going to start activating my slime. I'm not going to use that stick because it's full. Go in with my hands. That's very early. Well, I already added stuff to my slime to make it good.
Mine is called the volcano.
And I'm going to be here. I'm going to take this chunk out.
Alright.
Very gross. Let's mix that. That's too much contact solution.
Well, some with some water.
Adding some more activator, but not a lot because my slime's coming together as I wanted it to be. I could have it more way to show it. Kind of. I want it as like in water. So now I'm going to add some more action water. I just added some silver and gold and pink glitter. Okay. And with my hands. Getting somewhere, I guess. Okay. Now we need some of this.
I'm getting creative here.
Nathan, that is too much contact solution.
Hey, it's making it look beautiful.
I'm making some egg crunchy summer slime.
That does not look like summer.
It's nice and crunchy. And I'm about to add some colorful googly eyes.
I need these. Am I the only person that's supposed to be using this? Put it all over.
Cute.
Oh yeah. Excellent.
Nathan, do you want me to help you slime out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what you got.
I got some beautiful slime going. Yeah, I know, because it's made by the master slime artist. Can I see that for you? I thought you said you didn't want those. Oh, now I do. Oh, I'm gonna turn creative. Nope. Can I? Nope. No. Can I put a little bit more glitter in there?
So, we're going to be adding some more water and borax.
That's a pretty good smell.
Okay.
Can somebody grab me the paper towels?
Whoa. You're the come over here and get him. All over my foundation. Okay.
Oh, maybe a little bit more of this. Contact solution.
I think that's good, my favorite.
This is my second one. Oh, that looks good. Thanks. But when we get done, I'll show you my other slime that I made. Maybe a little bit.
Good. I just added some more yellow food coloring because it's not really bright enough.
Well, I'm probably make it red. Okay, let me turn it red.
If you want a volcano slime, you should add like some foam beads. It is coming together as I wished, and I'm honestly about to add more pink glitter because I like pink, and yellow makes art. I'm adding some gold, purple, and pink, and let's see what happens. Not sticky. It's perfect. Cool.
This one's out. I didn't use all of it.
I might have.
So now I'm going to be trying to play with it on the table. It's going to be
Here, me.
okay.
What are you doing?
Eat it first.
Take it. In your borax.
What just happened to the lid?
Look in there.
This lid fly. This needs to get washed off. A lot better. That lid back off.
So instead of making a real slime, I'm going to make it jiggly by putting water.
I just added some glue because it was at the point where I didn't like it. So the glue definitely helped a lot.
All over me. Are you sure he's using that?
Yeah, I'm adding the water to make it kind of jiggly.
Can I use some more?
Here, it is a little bit.
I haven't used, I'm not making jiggly slime. That's pink. I can't use that now.
You gotta be kidding me. It turned pink.
Yeah.
But it's fine. I like pink. That's my favorite color.
No. some. They're inside water right now. I don't want to feel my phone. No, thank you. I'll make a little hole. Wait, no. Wait. Going to add some more foam beads because I love foam.
Now I need some beads. Can I have some of those beads?
Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. It was called a hot summer day, and the only thing I added was white glue, foam beads, colorful googly eyes, and yellow food dye and borax. And I'm going to do some ASMR. And now I'm going to do a poop swirl. Bad idea. And it's crunchy. So you can go.
My slime is called the Warm on Fire Summer Day. It's kind of similar to hers, but it is pink. So, I added some red food coloring, a whole bunch, and I put some blue and glitter, some of these heart things and stuff, and I put some foam beads and some glitter and a little bit more, and then an eyeball, and then I put like hearts too. That's all.
Okay, mine is called Ocean Breeze because I have the ocean is the blue, and then we have some glitter, some hearts, and some stars. So the stars represent as like starfish, and these represent as like some shells, and there's different colors of them. And then I added some foam beads, and then that's all for my side. And then yeah, it fell apart. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe to ToyForceTV, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye!